بكتبهم عشان اجمعهم وعشان اعملهم. يلا بس هاخد نص ساعه لنا. ماشي.
Hello guys. Ayan po guys, we are now celebrating our first anniversary. Ayan. So kung makikita nyo po, may Ministry of Culture, may Ministry of Health. Ayan. So mayroon din dito iba pang mga affiliated namin na mga companies, which is Saudi Authority for Intellectual Property. Ayan. And there's the Red Sea. And we have also the Sadaya. There you go. Saudi Data and Al Authority. Yan, isa din po iyan sa aming mga partners ng aming company. And ito naman ay here is Sports for All. Yan, so marami-rami pa talaga. Very nice. Tsaka masayang-masaya po ang aming company ngayon because we are celebrating our first year anniversary. Ayan, and we are very thankful na ang lahat po ay masaya, pati po ang mga Saudi. Ayan. So far, so good. Very nice.